packed. Fixing to head back out on the road come Monday. And last week I stopped in a little town in Kansas. I think it was Coldwater. And just hadn't checked the lights and noticed my right turn signal wasn't working. So all that trailer wiring that I've saved over the years in trunk finally came in handy. All I did was cut that green wire, strip it back a little bit, take another section of wiring, wired it in, put a posi tap on the end. So now all I had to do was take this with the posi tap, plug it in, and this posi tap into my green one over here. I had lights again. So now that I'm back home, I'm going to replace that plug. Get that no way through. Yeah, it's not. Okay. New plug. Now, on the very next trip after the plug came out of the four-way in the front of the car, this little bad boy come unplugged. I got a nice grind job on it. So I've been planning on replacing this anyway, so let's show you how to do these. You can get these at most truck stops. Lowe's Love's had them for about 30 bucks. Or you can get them at a truck dealership or Amazon for about 10. Well, that was kind of getting loose. You pull it out, there's your wires. Now I could just cut the plug off this and without messing with these. Got a new one someplace. Loosen these set screws up. There we go. Now most semis, the brake and brake turns are separate, and so what you need is a 5 to 4 adapter. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is what this is, 4-flat converter. You can get these at Walmart, Tractor Supply, again, just about any place, Amazon, whatever, the Hopkins. These take a 5-wire and convert it down to 4. And they're about 21 bucks at Walmart. That's where I got these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is strip these wires. I strip them kind of long, double them over, tighten them up. Okay, I figured I'd show you how I'm doing one of them. Okay, I got the wire twisted up. I'm just going to double it over. And I will do them all that way. Double them over. These will tell you what color wires go in there. Basically what I do is, and sometimes you can twist them up. And what you want to be careful of is don't leave these too long, because if they get over against another terminal, they will short out and cause you all kinds of problems. There we go. There's our new trailer adapter for semis. Okay, project number 3 today. This is my extension. It goes from that semi plug that I just showed you all the way back to the semi into the car. Got slack in it, drug, rubbed a wire or two, and had some other bare places in it. Always been too long. I've been aiming to intending to make it shorter. Finally getting around to it. See, I had to splice this. put tape over it. Just had it just bare water, and like I said, at one point it rubbed it into. So basically, I'm going to do this just like I did the front one. That plug is still good, just too long. I'm going to take 5 feet off this, shorten it up, put me some new connectors on there. So anyway, what I'm going to do is pull these apart, strip them, just like I did the front. Connector, shrink connector on them, then a shrink wrap over them, connector. When I get done, I should have a new connector. We'll bring it back when we get it. Now, I will take, once it's cool, some black tape, tape those up. Okay, so now I have a 5 foot shorter extension, which should work a lot better. That's just some of the stuff I do on the weekends before I head out, is to repair equipment. I'm going to clean the car out here at the wall, put some food in it, get ready to head out Monday morning. Okay, car's all loaded, 6 o'clock. Got 5 meals back there in the cooler. Got Bear Dog. You can see Bear Dog. There he is. How you like my subdued lighting right there? So anyway, we'll bring you along today. Clothes, blanket, Bear Dog's supplements. We'll bring you along and see how all those modified repaired adapters do. Okay. Let's go see. Here's a plug. Here's a new one. There's the extension. Shorten it up a bit. Oh shit! Oh well. Shorten it up. New plug there. New plug down here. Both them new plugs. Well, that's not a new plug. It's just where I tapped it. Let's go see if we got the signals working. And we do. Yes, sir. Okay. Good deal. We're ready to rock.